Hi there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today, we're covering a word that's elegant, fragrant, and sometimes tricky to pronounce. The word is bouquet. Let's begin with the spelling. It's spelled Bouquet. Looks simple, right? But it's one of those words with French origins, so the pronunciation might surprise you. The correct pronunciation is bouquet. Let's break it down step by step. First, boo, just like the playful sound you make to surprise someone. Boo. Next, Kay. It rhymes with day. K. Now, let's put it all together. Bouquet. One more time, nice and slow. Bouquet. Great job. Now, what does bouquet mean? A bouquet refers to an arrangement of flowers that's often given as a gift or used as decoration. It can also refer to a distinctive fragrance, like the bouquet of a fine wine. Fun fact, the word bouquet comes from the old French word bosque, which meant a little wood or grove. Over time, it evolved into its modern meaning, associated with beauty and fragrance. Let's practice one more time. Bouquet. You're doing fantastic. Thanks for joining me today. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Say It Right, and share it with someone who might love this beautiful word or just needs help pronouncing it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.